This is it, all right? I told you, don't see AI from an efficiency mindset, all right? That's where your first impression of AI, everyone's first impression of AI is, oh, we're going to save time. Of course it saves you time, but I don't want you to, that is not your priority, okay? And I'm happy to share these slides with you. Like, what I was asked to present to about 400 buyers in Sydney Expo last June, right? Remember when you present these expos and you show a few pictures, factory videos, suddenly the phones get up and they start taking photos. Have you ever noticed that? And so right at the beginning, I put up a QR code. I said, here's the QR code, download the PDF now. And the phone's up. And the organisers are in the front seat and they go, wow. I knocked the organisers for 6. Wow, no one's ever done that. Said, why not? Why can't you have my slides as I'm going through them immediately? You deserve this. You paid money to come and listen to me. And the organisers love that. They asked me to come back again in Sydney. I said, I'm busy in June. Let's do Melbourne when you come down in November. But you know, you got to think. So I took agency. They didn't ask me, oh, mate, can you make QR code and allow your slides to be available? No, I took agency. You with me here? Right? Don't ever forget that. Take agency to make yourself stand out. All right. So efficiency mindset. Yes, use it to fix your weaknesses, but you start focusing on impact mindset. This is where, at the other end, you're using it to help your weaknesses. You're using it to fix and actually become stronger, better, faster. Okay? Right? Here, a lot of people think, oh, right? Associated British Accounting Review, there was a paper that I'm managing. One author rejected, another one said major revision. In the letter I said, because the reviewers agree, I'd like to invite you to major revision and resubmit, send it back to me. I noticed that you used ChatGPT in your write-up. You acknowledge you use ChatGPT. There's all journals request you to acknowledge this. I said, don't use GPT. What did you think I said next? Sorry? Yes, I said use Claude AI instead. Very good, very smart. Okay, use Claude instead because it doesn't hallucinate as much. It's much better for writing. It's more conservative, and it can bring your writing to a much higher level. And please don't send it back to me within 4 months because I want you to go backwards and forwards with Claude AI to make it as best as possible. Wow.
What did you use to do the diagram? Just curious, because there's normally when you use AI, you get
Notebook LM.
You get spelling mistakes, you get hands with 6 fingers, you get.
I know you get, and I read through all this and I think, oh, there's no errors. There might be one somewhere I can't find.
So it's interesting. How long did it take it to do something like this?
And that just took 30 seconds. No,
so
maybe 2 minutes. About 2 minutes.
You didn't have to interact with it to
No. I'll tell you what I did. See this? Mm-hmm. Sunday morning. It was 2 Sundays ago. I was going to give a talk to HDR students just like this. This is down at La Trobe University. And I thought, okay, Neil, you've got 1 page. What are you going to talk to them about? And that's what I wrote. Pass this around. I took a photo, gave that to Notebook LM, and it created this.
Okay.
So I'm going to pass this around. I want you look at that and thinking, wow, it did this from this. Unbelievable. It did. I didn't even pass it around.
But I have a question. So,
yes.
If a person, so for example, I use AI a lot, so I can directly see this picture is made by AI. So if you are a teacher teaching university students, you want to them. So it's not the HDR students, they are bachelor students. You want them, rather than use AI, help them finish the assessment. You want them to study real because they are still in the foundations stage.
Yeah.
Then if I make my PowerPoint like this one, and people often use AI, they can see this is generated by AI. Then how I have the proof base, or how I convince them, and please go study and don't use.
Good. No, that's a very good point. And that's exactly why I did what I did for the first 10 minutes. Because I didn't want to show you this in the first minute. Remember, what did I do for the first 10 minutes? I gave you examples of my proof of work, my voice, my agency. I had to establish myself first. You with me here? Right?